Vice President Kembo Mohadi recently made headlines. So, let's set the scene. We're at Manama High School, a usual spot for gatherings and speeches. The crowd is buzzing, journalists are prepping their mics, and then VP Mohadi takes the stage. At 74 years young, he's no stranger to the spotlight, but today's different. Why, you ask? Well, there's been a whirlwind of rumors swirling about his health. You know how it goes. Whispers turn into talks, talks turn into headlines. But VP Mohadi, he's not having any of it. With the mic in hand, he addresses the elephant in the room straight away. He says, "Look at me. Yes, I'm aged, that's undeniable. But let me assure you, this old engine still has plenty of fire left." The crowd cheers, and rightfully so. It's not every day you see a public figure tackle gossip head-on. But it's not just about quashing rumors. VP Mohadi's speech is a testament to resilience, a reminder that age is just a number, and what really matters is the spirit to serve. It's a powerful message, especially in a youthful nation like Zimbabwe. So, what's the takeaway here? It's simple. In an age where information travels faster than ever, it's crucial to hear it straight from the source before forming opinions. And as for VP Mohadi, he's living proof that you're only as old as you feel. That's all for today's story. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates right from the heart of Africa. Until next time, keep questioning and keep learning.